want to make a soft, moist and delicious suji cake without eggs and milk and with simple ingredients you have in your kitchen, it's light, fluffy and super moist. And one ingredient makes all the difference. Stay tuned till the end and see if you guessed it correctly. Let's start with the wet ingredients. Add a 3/4 cup yogurt to a mixing bowl. I am using plain coconut yogurt today. It is thick and has a very smooth texture. Then add half cup sugar. You can add 3/4 cup for a sweeter version. Then add 1/4 cup sunflower oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Use a hand whisk to mix the ingredients until smooth. By the way, the ingredients in gram and the recipe are in the description. Next, add 1 cup fine suji flour. It is also called Rava or Semolina. Stir in the suji and mix until smooth. Now add half cup lukewarm soya milk. Add the soya milk gradually to make a smooth batter. Cover and rest for about 30 minutes so that the suji absorbs liquid and expands. After resting, check the batter consistency. You'll notice the batter has thickened. Now we can add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Fold in the ingredients gently with a spatula until well mixed. Add a tablespoon more of soya milk if batter is too thick. At this stage, you can fold in some nuts or tutti frutti if using. I am keeping it simple today. The consistency should be slightly thick like this. That's it, the batter is ready. Grease and line a baking tray with parchment paper. I am using a 9 by 5 inch pan. Pour batter into the prepared pan. Tap gently to release any air bubbles. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 30-35 minutes or until golden brown and a skewer comes out clean. Then remove from the pan carefully and allow to cool completely on a rack. Now comes the best part. It's time to enjoy our cake. The fragrance is already filling the house. Slice and enjoy this soft, moist and spongy eggless suji cake. Perfect with a cup of tea or coffee and a very special cake to serve your guests during festive occasions. Did you guess the one ingredient that gives a special taste and texture to this eggless suji cake? The answer is in the comments. Congratulations if you got it right. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Try this eggless suji cake at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. See you in the next recipe.